Wow. Steve Ferdinand believed that Terra Classic is gone. One of the crypto advisor and crypto expert, Steve Ferdinand, have actually come out to tweet and said that Terra Classic LLC is gone. If you are dreaming about this coin making you a millionaire, that it is not going to happen. Well, for me, the word of Steve, because he has a lot of followers and people believe that because he's one of the experts in crypto industry. Now, for me, I definitely believe that Terra Classic cannot make us a millionaire, but Terra Classic can make us rich. Making you a millionaire with Terra Classic simply means you need to invest huge amount of money. Now, I still believe there's a possibility for 500%, 1000%, 2000%, maximum of 5,000 or 10,000 in the next, let's say, 7 years. So yeah, it has to come with time. Okay, it depends on the time we give Terra Classic. You cannot be expecting to make over 10,000 or turning $100 to $100,000 within the next 2 years with Terra Classic. It's going to be difficult. Not that it cannot happen because it's a crypto industry, but it's definitely going to be difficult. So from the word of Steve, he believed the point of Terra Classic in the past 14 months, that if Terra Classic with all the support from Binance and other top crypto exchange are just able to burn a little bit over 70 billion, he said just forget about it. The coin that have almost 7 trillion, you're burning 70 billion. So he definitely believed that it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Even with the 1.2% tax bond, they started charging initially that this is not going to work. That stop dreaming of Terra Classic reaching 1 cent or Terra Classic making you rich or millionaire. But I still believe that anything can happen. Yes, anything can happen. For me, Steve Ferdinand is being known for one of the I've been predicting a lot of crypto coins, but that doesn't mean you cannot get it wrong. Of course, there's so many predictions I've already given out that came out to be wrong. So I still believe on Terra Classic that this coin can stay right, but I still accept what he said, not in the area of Terra Classic not rising. Terra Classic can rise 500%, 1,000, 10,000. My maximum prediction for Terra Classic is 10,000. Even the 10,000%, one need to wait for years. Anyhow it is, I am ready to wait because I don't have much Terra Classic coin to share with you. I sold out some of my Terra Classic coin. The one I have right now is something that no matter what happens, it's something I can afford to lose. So I decided to leave it for a very long period of time. So take the advice from crypto expert Steve Ferdinand, but I will advise still buy few Terra Classic or still store few Terra Classic coin because anything can happen, but do not invest huge amount of money on Terra Classic again. Please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.